Hello, welcome to my channel. I create nail art videos. If you are interested in nail art, then you can check my other nail art videos after watching this video. I also create YouTube shorts so you can check them out as well. I am providing the links for some of my videos in the description box below. So keep watching this video. In today's video, I'm going to create reciprocal ombre nail art and I'm super excited to create this. I have selected purple color shades to create my ombre and I'm going to give some of the tips to create this design in the end of the video. So keep watching this video till the end. I just love this final look. If you are thinking to giving it a try, then I would like to give you some of the tips. The first point, select the colors which are naturally blending with each other to get the effective look. I tried creating this design with some of the other colors and I noticed that if the colors are not blending properly, then it won't give such a look. The second point, before creating the ombre for the second time, that is before placing the striping tapes over the nails, ensure that the colors are completely dry, otherwise it will ruin the whole design. You can use the fast drying top coat for that. Third point, while creating ombre for the second time, you have to use the colors in the reverse order than the first one. The fourth point, while using the sponge to create the ombre, you should not press it or rub it too much. You just have to easily dab it over your nail. Rubbing it too much might hurt the design and you might need to rework. And fifth, the most important point, be patient to create this design. Allow the paint to dry properly. It takes time. You can create this design on any of your special occasion or just like that. Your friends are definitely going to notice this stunning nail art design. If you like this design, then hit like, subscribe to my channel. If you subscribe, then keep the notifications on so that you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. I will request you to take your time and watch my other videos. Now I'll take your leave. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this one. Bye.